Hello, it's Mike and Yvonne.
From between the lakes.
From between the lakes. Guess where we are tonight? And what a beautiful night. It's a little bit, what is it?
It's a bit hazy.
It's hazy.
A bit humid.
Yeah, but the colour of the light now is just getting nice and sunsetty. What time is it?
It's 20 to 8.
20 to 8. And we are at the Puerto Deportivo Marina Salinas. Oh, that sounded good, didn't it?
You've been practising.
Been practising. And we're here because we did a show actually, I don't know if you saw it or not, but it was called Love and Liquor, the opening of this new bar. And we've been invited, so we're going. It's just over there, and we're going to see what it's like. Come on.
If you could have one of those boats, which one would you choose?
I'd choose the most expensive one I could see. You see those two at the back? I think we'll be looking at one of these two.
They're big, aren't they?
We'll be looking at those.
They're like cruise ships, aren't they?
There, look at the big glass windows.
But they cost a lot of money to run and to keep them here.
Yeah, it's certainly out of our league. You know, I think I'd be struggling on my pension to do that. And there's three marinas in Torrevieja. There's the International Arena, where Andy's supermarket is, that we did the video the other week.
Supermercado.
Supermercado. There's this one, which is the Puerto Deportivo Marina Salinas, and there's another one, and I can't remember what they call it, but there's 3 of them. I think it's got the word Torrevieja in the title. It might be Marina de Torrevieja or something really basic like that. But yeah, there's 3 parts to it. If you look on the map, you can see there's 3 separate parts to it. Pussycats, let's look at the pussycats.
There's always lots of cats around here, isn't there?
Yeah, they sort of live in these rocks, don't they? Let's see what they've got to say.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Ah, you've got some fish.
I haven't got any
Any
fish.
fish.
I haven't got any fish.
So, what time is it now? Do you think we better go and get off to
It's
this
10 to 8.
see a party and see what it's like? But the sun's going down. We're not quite sure what sort of a sunset it's going to be because
It could be really nice.
it could be really nice. It's one of those where it could either be really good because the cloud formations are superb, or it could be absolute rubbish and the sun will just disappear in a veil of mist. But sometimes a cloud breaks just below the horizon, just across there, and it bursts through at the bottom. So we'll just see if it bursts through at the bottom, a bit like you do.
It burst through the bottom.
Oh, look at these bikes. Whose are these?
I think they're ours.
How do you know?
Because look at your seat.
What's wrong with my seat?
That's why I can tell that's yours. Look at the state of this.
What's wrong with it?
What have you been doing to it?
It's good for another 5 years, this.
I think, gosh, no wonder you've got a sore bum.
I haven't got a sore bum.
You've no gel left. I think you need a new one.
What about yours with stupid towel on it?
Yeah, but it's nice and comfy, and look how nice. Look, it's still got the original seat thing on.
Well, I'll tell you what, if I swap mine for yours, you wouldn't even know, would you, because you've got your towel on the top?
Yes, I'd know.
How would you
You're
know?
not having my seat. Just buy a new one.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's crack on then. We've had a good night tonight, haven't we?
Yeah.
We've been to the Love and Liquor, as you know. It's just over there, opposite the pier, by the roundabout. If you go in there and you go upstairs, and it's the first bar. You know, I've never seen it as busy on this pier. Have you?
We haven't been on this pier at this time of night before, I don't think.
No, we haven't.
And it's really busy. This place down here, it's just full of cars, isn't it?
Yeah. And look at Torrevieja there, how nice it looks, the
All lit up.
whole thing lit up. And on that note, I think it's time to wrap the video up. So it's a thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video, a thumbs down if you haven't enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell.
3, 2, 1.
Bing! Adios.
Adios.